sounds like Gavin Rossdale and Kurt Cobain had a baby and he was Korean.
iKON.
Okay.
Am I ready for iKON?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know.
Oh,
I don't know. I don't know.
Oh, iKON.
You say you, but I'm no better. Okay.
Hello, everyone.
You guys really want us to watch this. I have a feeling it's going to be horrible. I don't mean horrible in a bad way. I mean horrible in a we're going to be a mess way.
Oh.
This is iKON. I'm fantastic duo. They're with a rock group called Boohwal.
Mm-hmm.
It's a hip-hop rock combo. If you've seen us react to their other hip-hop rock combos, you will know that we probably are about to lose our minds. Are you ready? Nope, you're not. But we're going to go anyway.
Yeah.
Because we need to move it along. Let's go. iKON.
Oh, Lord, help me. Piano.
I'm fine.
Piano.
I'm fine.
Oh, they're sitting down. Okay.
I don't like pianos. Nope. Pianos, nope. You want to watch this? Oh, I love this guy.
I know. He's the guy that was with Wassa.
He was in the, yes.
And posted, right? No, not posted. I don't.
I apparently love that guy. I just didn't even know. I've watched him on multiple music things.
Okay. So, we got piano. We got God She Loves. It's a great setup. Ooh.
Nope. This is classic rock guitars. It already sounds like such a classic rock freaking monster and great song.
You know how they start off with that slow?
Listen. I already know I'm about to get wrecked by this rock ballad. That's
First of all, she can't even sit still. She's like,
no, because I already know.
Look at her. Look at her. Look at her.
That's how I feel too. Sorry, that was like a real-time picture of you and I watching them last time.
Oh. She had rain in her eyes.
Yeah, you hear it coming.
Did he not?
I just know. Here's why I didn't just get. I already know it's gonna get better than that. So I'm just gonna stay right here until you're ready to
came in with the classic raspy. You just talked about this before. That classy rap, classic rap, not rap, rock voice.
He has a
that raspy voice.
He has a rock voice. Go back.
Okay.
I'm just gonna sit here.
Oh my god!
Because I already know it's gonna. I know exactly that it's going to get better. So I'm just not even. I'm just gonna stay.
Start with that velvety smooth for the two.
Yeah. No, and then it's the rest. This is great rock ballad. I already know. I told you I already knew it was gonna be, and His drums.
Look at him. See?
No, stop.
Did he stand up too? Like,
I don't know. He sounds like Gavin Rossdale and Kurt Cobain had a baby and he was Korean. And the Korean baby is Junai.
I love
If
your
you don't
analogies.
know who Gavin Rossdale and Kurt Cobain are, I'll put it here for you.
With the lights out, it's just dangerous. Here we are now, entertain us. Don't let the days go by. Could have been easier on you. I couldn't change though I wanted to.
It's like haunting. It's just that like
It is. It is. Yeah, and Kurt Cobain's, any of his songs were like our favorite go-tos when we did our tour for our rock band. If you haven't heard
Just
about
talking
it,
about the game.
rock band. My sister and brother-in-law had a whole. We had a whole set, a band, all that. But yeah, Kurt Cobain was always one because of the fact that the music was just always.
Nirvana is.
Yeah, it's just off the chain. Yeah. Like, yeah. Oh my goodness, this right here. Right, lady. Right. Oh, he didn't. Okay. Then these two come in.
Do you hear that harmony?
Yes.
I like can't sit down. I like.
Even that other guy's. Oh. I love this look on him.
Yeah, this hair on Bobby is.
Oh my gosh, Bobby.
I love Bobby.
Yes, Bobby.
Hey, sorry.
I was just saying, Bobby. You can go ahead.
That was fire.
That was fire.
Bobby is moving up my rappers of Korea list.
Oh my goodness.
But Bobby's lyrics are amazing.
First of all, they both came in with that energy where it was just like, as soon as it came in, I was like, oh.
They know how to like properly like hold it back, but keep the energy there and then like let it loose at the right time.
Yeah, all right, guys, killing it. All right, man.
Yeah, no, I didn't hear that again.
Yeah.
I mean, he's from the other group, so he's a rocker. Like, so that you expect, but he still sounds amazing. What? Why? What just happened? Yes, I don't.
I'm with you. I'm there. You lied.
Where's he going? Where are you going?
사랑해 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 사랑해
She's like, she's ready, baby. Hey. Ooh.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh no! Wait, we get an Odu cameo?
I know. And he's like, I'm here. Just,
Hey.
I'm enjoying this.
No, I love this.
First of all, like just the build up, and then it drops back down, like just. So I just told her that she lied because she was like, you know, I got some fun stuff today, you know, because we did last time we did all vocals. This right here.
I might have lied a little bit. No, the vocals are. I don't know who this guy is. I need to know. I gotta look up Boohwal.
Absolutely. Okay. I'm floored.
I know.
You hear somebody in the back with the.
I do.
Who is that?
It's the baby that. Still, his name. It's the one that always does the high notes, I think.
Yes. Yes.
I'm gonna watch that like 7 more times.
Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna watch that 7 more times.
That was amazing.
There's no way I'm not watching that like a billion times. That's gonna go like I have fantastic duo performances. I just watch like once a month.
Right.
Like Taeyang and that the girl Rhythm Gangster. I just watch that like all the time.
Yeah,
this
is like right up your rock list. Like just all of it.
It's like yeah.
Yeah.
Cause I'm an R&B. Like I will always say, R&B is like my favorite music. I've always been like a slow jams R&B girl.
Mm-hmm.
But
there are some
my
rock
music.
songs.
No, my music taste is super eclectic.
Yes.
Like in general though, and like my dad was a rock guy, right? So like I grew up with rock music and specifically like classic rock. And then the generation I grew up in, like Nirvana,
was Aerosmith?
Candlebox. Aerosmith was like
before?
older.
Okay.
You know, Aerosmith was more like 80s, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, that's me.
But like the grunge era was very much like in my generation, right? So like those artists like very play a big influence on my musical taste. Even though like I'll always say R&B is my favorite genre.
Right.
Like I love classic rock. I love grunge era rock. I love like even punk rock. Like I loved Green Day as a child. Like I love Linkin Park. I love like.
And this is why we get along so well because we started talking about music. Like my taste.
We did. That's true.
My taste in music is also very eclectic.
Yeah.
You know, it was R&B, but I also would like to listen to some Tejana music. Merengue, all of the different Bollywood. Like I have like a whole list of Bollywood, like rock, soft rock. I just like music, you know. I think the only style of music that you won't see in my thing is like country, bluegrass, all that stuff.
I even like some of that. Not a lot, but I do even like some.
Yeah, I don't. No.
There's not a genre There is not a genre I've not found artists I like in the genre.
Okay,
if I can say it that way.
But that was freaking
amazing.
Oh my goodness.
Not shocking.
Yeah, not
amazing.
at all. All right.